You're Daniel Eli? Give me just a second, Mr. Eli. My computer's still warming up. All right, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25 DCCR 0898. You are charged with third-degree felony offense of continuous violence against the family, and that is from July 14th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? Okay. Huh? Okay, so what I'm going to do is reset your case about 30 days, and that'll give you some time to try to hire somebody. If you get a lawyer hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer, and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order. Do you understand? And as part of your bond, when you initially made that, was a condition for you not to have any contact with Jalen Horace. I want to make sure you understand how important that is. If you have any contact or communication at all, that bond will be raised and you'll be back in jail. So that's not just in-person contact, but it's any communication, Snapchatting and DMing and any kind of emailing, any of that stuff that I don't even know exists. Do you understand? Okay, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice. Bernasha Galston. There you go. Good morning. Are you Bernasha Galston? And did you get someone hired?
All the prices I literally called.
Speak up, I can't understand you.
I called like 3 or 7.
You 3 or 7?
Yes, it's all in the
Who'd you call?
Just to go on there again to get how much you would need for payments. He said $200 a month. The running law firm, they said $3,500 to handle case, close to half in payments. James Making, I spoke to Miss Sherry. She said either $6,500 all up front, no payment plans. And William Marcus Wilkerson, we said $25 scheduling fee, $1,000 give or take to start trying. Payment plan $250 every 2 weeks. Says he won't be able to take you to the 24th. And law office of Revenue Jackson.
Okay.
He said $70,000. And William law firm, he said not taking any cases at $9,500 on case.
That's good. You did. Thank you for doing what I asked you to do. I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely. You're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct, okay? If you step in front of the clerk over there, she'll give you that paperwork. Isaiah Tyson. Good morning. You're Isaiah Tyson. And Ms. Tyson, Mr. Tyson, you have a motion to revoke your probation. You're on probation for, it looks like, forgery, and then there's a new indictment in cause number 25, DCCR 1538. You're charged with the third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from September 4th of 2025. Since you have made bond in those cases, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
No, Your Honor. I thought I had a court-appointed attorney.
So once you make bond in your cases, then I expect you to at least try to hire someone. So what I'm going to do is reset each of your cases about 30 days. It's very important that you try to get someone hired, especially since you're already on probation and there's a new allegation of a new felony. If you get someone hired before the next court date, bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you are unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, different payment plans. Bring me those names when you come back. Okay, you have 2 probations.
Now the judge is digging into whether these sentences can be stacked. This is where things get serious, because stacked means doing time back to back instead of all at once. Basically, prison math just got dangerous. Should someone with multiple theft cases get stacked time? Comment your take.
I just saw that. All right, you're on 2 felony probations, 1 for evading arrest and detention with the use of a vehicle. And I guess I set those bonds. So if you are unable, again, you need to bring me those names of the people you've talked to. If you don't do that, your bonds will be raised and you will go back to jail. It's very important. You're being given an opportunity on a bond while you have one new felony while you're on 2 felony probations. So you need to try to get someone hired. You also still need to do everything you're supposed to on that probation. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk.
The defense is going full strategy mode, highlighting mental health history, military discharge, lack of access to treatment. These are mitigating factors that can soften a sentence. Question for you: should untreated mental health issues reduce criminal accountability?
She'll give you a reset notice. And you got your GPS on, Mr. Tyson? You got that GPS? Okay, make sure you keep it charged and do everything you're supposed to with that as well, okay?
Yes, sir.
My nose is sniffling. Kevin Calise? Mr. Calise, sweatpants are not appropriate for felony court. You need to dress nicer next time. Do you understand?
Here comes the emotional punch. She's asking for probation again, but the judge remembers every revoked probation before this. Judges don't forget patterns. Saying 5 prior revocations is a huge hill to climb. This is where compassion meets hard reality.
Get someone hired?
No.
Okay, who'd you talk to?
I talked to, it was, I forgot the name, but it was,
All right, you're supposed to talk to 3 attorneys and bring me those names. Did you do that?
I talked to one attorney.
You talked to 1 attorney. Who'd you talk to?
Yeah.
Him? Do you know his name? Mr. Gilthorpe, do you recall talking to this young man, Mr. Calise?
I did.
Okay, and so what did you talk to him about?
About, see if I could get him hired on, but I haven't, saved up enough money yet to hire an attorney.
Okay, so why did you only talk to 1 instead of 3?
I just,
You're not sure. How old are you?
18.
You're 18. So it is time to make some adult decisions and learn how to follow the rules. If somebody sitting here tells you to do something and tells you if you don't do it, you could go to jail, I could send you to jail right now. Because when you were here before, I said you need to talk to at least 3. If you don't hire someone, talk to at least 3 and bring me those names. You saw the young lady that was in here before. She had a page full of people that she had talked to. It's not that hard, right? So are you still in school? Are you working?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you working?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm going to reset your case for 2 weeks. I want you to talk to at least 3 lawyers or get someone hired. If you can't afford an attorney, then we'll go through that process and you might get a court-appointed attorney, but you're going to at least try and you're going to follow the rules first. Do you understand? 2 weeks. Step in front of the clerk.
Same right here.
DeMark Cole,